You're a man of a certain age, perhaps over 50 or 60, and you might have started noticing some unwelcome changes. Maybe your mornings aren't as energetic as they once were, your memory feels a little foggier, or your overall drive and performance, in every sense of the word, aren't quite what you remember. What if I told you that something as simple as what you drink before bed could drastically change how you perform the next morning? No, this isn't about expensive testosterone therapy, a new prescription medication, or those flashy miracle supplements that seem to flood your social media feeds. The truth is, many men are unknowingly sabotaging their vitality with simple nighttime habits, yet there's a powerful secret weapon likely sitting in your very own kitchen that could unlock incredible improvements in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Now let's address an uncomfortable truth. As men age, our bodies undergo changes that can profoundly impact our quality of life. After the age of 60, the average man typically experiences a decline in total testosterone levels by about 1.6% each year. This natural reduction, as highlighted by Harvard Health, goes beyond just lowering your drive and energy. It also impacts muscle strength, the quality of your sleep, and your ability to rise up, both physically and mentally, to face the day ahead. What's even more concerning is that most men don't realize that their nighttime routines, particularly what they choose to drink or not drink before bed, can actively accelerate this aging process, draining their precious energy and wrecking their morning vitality. Think about it. You wake up feeling stiff, groggy, and generally unmotivated. You might chalk it up to just getting older, but often there's a more specific culprit at play. For instance, even mild dehydration can thicken your blood overnight, forcing your heart to work harder even while you're supposed to be resting peacefully. Inflammation can silently build throughout the night due to poor nutrition choices, and that seemingly innocent glass of wine before bed, it might actually be stealing your vital testosterone and disrupting your deep, restorative sleep cycles, leaving your body weaker rather than rejuvenated by morning. Instead of your body healing and repairing itself overnight, it's actually breaking down. For men, actively supporting your body during these crucial overnight hours isn't an option. It's absolutely essential. Your sleep cycle is your body's profound natural repair process. It's built-in testosterone therapy, and if you're not fueling it correctly, you're not just losing sleep. You're losing strength, stamina, and your very vitality. The truly good news, however, is that there's a better, simpler way. What if the solution to feeling more vibrant and energetic isn't found in a doctor's prescription, but right there in your own kitchen? Imagine a few simple drinks, scientifically backed, that could improve blood flow, balance your hormone levels, and supercharge your body's restoration while you simply sleep. Stick around, because I'm going to reveal exactly what to drink, when to drink it, and importantly, who might need to approach these habits with caution. Plus, I'll share a surprising bedtime ritual that elite men, those thriving in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, use to stay incredibly sharp, strong, and energized well into their golden years. Let's start with something fundamental that many men often overlook: hydration. It might surprise you to learn that dehydration is significantly more common in older adults than most people realize. As we age, our bodies actually lose some of their efficiency in conserving water, and critically, our natural sense of thirst tends to diminish. This means that by the time you actually feel thirsty, your body could already be struggling with early dehydration. When you go to bed even slightly dehydrated, it directly affects your blood volume overnight. Your blood becomes thicker, circulation can decrease, and vital organs, including your muscles, your brain, and even your reproductive organs, receive less oxygen. Think of it like a garden hose that's only half full. You wouldn't expect it to spray powerfully, would you? Your body works similarly. Proper hydration, especially in the evening, can dramatically improve circulation, boost cellular repair, and help your body produce the essential hormones it needs for peak performance. So, here's a simple but powerful tweak. About 60 to 90 minutes before heading to bed, drink an 8 to 10 ounce glass of room temperature water with a tiny pinch of sea salt, not regular table salt. Sea salt contains crucial trace minerals that your body utilizes to maintain hydration at a cellular level, and this small change can profoundly impact how your body rests, repairs, and rejuvenates for the next morning. Now, let's explore something even more exciting: beetroot juice. This vibrant red vegetable might not be the most glamorous item in your grocery cart, but perhaps it should be. Beetroot juice is scientifically proven to help increase nitric oxide levels throughout the body. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen your blood vessels, significantly improving blood flow not just to your heart, but to every corner of your body where oxygen and nutrients are needed. A compelling study from the University of Exeter revealed that men over 50 who incorporated beetroot juice into their daily routine experienced improved muscle efficiency and a reduced oxygen cost during physical activity in just 6 days. Consider Victor, a vibrant 65-year-old who still regularly runs 10 kilometers. A few years back, he noticed a slowdown, particularly in his leg recovery after runs. He added just 5 to 7 ounces of beetroot juice about an hour before bed. Within a mere week, his endurance noticeably improved, and a surprising bonus, his sleep quality significantly enhanced. There's undeniable power in supporting your circulation while your body is deep in its recovery phase. We understand not everyone loves the earthy taste of beets, but you don't need to endure pickled beets. You can easily find cold-pressed beet juice at the store or mix powdered beetroot into water. The key, as with all these tips, is consistency. Start small and observe the remarkable difference in your mornings. Still with me? Excellent, because here's another nighttime powerhouse: tart cherry juice. This incredible drink not only supports your hormones and brain function, but also promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Tart cherries are naturally rich in melatonin, the essential hormone that signals to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. But the benefits don't stop there. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food indicates that tart cherry juice also helps lower cortisol, the notorious stress hormone that can actively block testosterone production and severely disrupt sleep quality. If you find yourself struggling with restless nights, that frustrating brain fog, or a diminished libido, elevated cortisol levels could be the sneaky culprit. Tart cherry juice can help bring these levels back into a healthier balance. Moreover, it actively helps reduce inflammatory markers that often contribute to joint stiffness and overall fatigue. To harness these benefits, simply drink 4 to 6 ounces of tart cherry juice about 1 hour before bed. Resist the urge to overdo it, as it's naturally sweet, and a little truly goes a long way. Some men prefer to dilute it with water or even combine it with their nightly magnesium supplement, which leads us directly to the next vital component of your optimal bedtime ritual. Magnesium isn't just a sleep aid, it's truly a complete performance enhancer in disguise. Yet it's a sobering fact that a significant number of men, especially those over 60, are deficient in this crucial mineral. The National Institutes of Health estimates that close to 70% of men over the age of 60 may not be getting enough magnesium. This deficiency matters immensely because magnesium is involved in over 300 vital biochemical reactions within your body. It plays a critical role in relaxing blood vessels, thereby improving circulation, and is fundamental for energy production, efficient muscle recovery, and yes, even supporting the natural synthesis of testosterone. That's a staggering array of benefits from one single mineral. So, what's the most effective way to integrate it before bed? Many men enjoy warm magnesium-rich teas, such as chamomile blended with magnesium citrate. Others opt for a supplement like magnesium glycinate, a form known for being gentle on the stomach and highly bioavailable. A typical dosage ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams about 30 minutes before bed. However, it is always wise to consult with your doctor, especially if you are currently taking any medications. Incorporating magnesium can help you wake up feeling notably calmer, sharper, and truly more rested. Now, for what some might consider the real secret weapon, a high-quality, slow-digesting protein before bed. This is essential because while you're comfortably sleeping, your body isn't idle. It's diligently building, repairing, and regenerating on a profound cellular level. However, it cannot perform these critical functions without the right raw materials. You're likely already aware that protein is vital for muscle growth after a workout. But did you know that consuming specific types of protein, particularly casein or collagen, before bed can actually trigger anabolic repair processes overnight? A study demonstrated that older men who consumed 30 to 40 grams of casein protein before sleep retained more lean muscle mass and showed improved physical strength after 8 weeks. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about maintaining functional strength, providing crucial hormonal support, and keeping your metabolism optimally active. You can easily add a scoop of casein protein powder to water or almond milk about an hour before sleep. Alternatively, if you prefer a gentler option, collagen peptides can be mixed into a warm drink, offering the added benefits of supporting joint health and skin elasticity. Just be sure to avoid whey protein at night, as it digests too rapidly and won't sustain your body through your entire sleep cycle. Take Tom, for instance, a 70-year-old who felt his strength dwindling despite consistent workouts. His son, a fitness trainer, suggested adding a bedtime shake with casein protein and a little beetroot juice. Within weeks, Tom felt noticeably stronger during his morning workouts, slept better, and even managed to gain some lean muscle mass. Sometimes, the most significant improvements come from embracing the smallest, most consistent changes. Let's quickly recap these powerful strategies we've explored. A simple glass of water with sea salt before bed helps your cells rehydrate and supports better circulation. Beetroot juice enhances blood flow and oxygen delivery while you sleep. Tart cherry juice works to lower cortisol levels and helps your hormones achieve a healthier balance. Magnesium supports deeper, more restful sleep and crucial hormone function. And a serving of casein or collagen protein provides the essential building blocks for muscle repair and testosterone support, all while you're in a deep, regenerative state. Feeling intrigued? This is just the beginning, because when you seamlessly combine these individual practices into a consistent and powerful nighttime routine, you don't just slow down the inevitable process of aging, you actually begin to reverse some of its unwanted effects, and your energized mornings will be living proof. But let's not stop there, because if you're truly serious about safeguarding your long-term vitality, there are a few final crucial steps in your bedtime fuel ritual that not only enhance everything we've discussed, but also meticulously tie it all together to work harmoniously with your body rather than against it. Here's something you might not expect. The precise timing of your nightly drinks matters just as much as what you drink. Consuming any fluid, even the healthiest options, immediately before your head hits the pillow can unfortunately backfire. Why? Because as we gracefully age, our bladders naturally become more sensitive. A full bladder in the middle of the night inevitably means disrupted sleep. Even worse, those frustrating bathroom trips can rob you of precious, deep sleep cycles, periods when your body's natural testosterone production is at its absolute highest. So here's your strategic timing blueprint. Aim to finish your final drink, whether it's tart cherry juice, beetroot concoction, your magnesium blend, or your protein shake, approximately 60 to 90 minutes before you intend to go to bed. This generous window allows your body ample time to process the fluids, significantly reducing those inconvenient 3 a.m. bathroom awakenings. Now, it's absolutely crucial to talk about who should proceed with caution. While these bedtime drinks are powerful tools, they are not a one-size-fits-all solution for everyone. For example, if you are currently taking blood pressure medication or nitrates, you must consult with your doctor before incorporating beetroot juice into your routine. Due to its impressive ability to improve blood flow, it can further lower blood pressure, potentially creating issues with your existing medication. Similarly, if you are diabetic or actively managing your blood sugar levels, be aware that tart cherry juice contains natural sugars that you'll need to factor into your evening carbohydrate intake. Even magnesium, despite its incredible benefits, can interact with certain medications such as blood thinners or diuretics. Therefore, it is essential to take ownership of your health. Always have a conversation with your healthcare provider before beginning any new supplement or dietary change, no matter how natural or safe it might seem. That being said, these carefully chosen bedtime habits have profoundly transformed the lives of countless men. One of my favorite success stories comes from Jeremy. At 72, recently retired, he simply felt tired, not depressed, not sick, just a persistent off feeling like his engine wouldn't start in the mornings. Jeremy didn't attempt a massive lifestyle overhaul overnight. He started with just 2 changes: tart cherry juice and magnesium before bed. 3 weeks later, he sent an excited message. "I feel like someone turned the lights back on." His joints were less stiff and he woke up with much greater mental clarity. 2 months after that, he gradually added beetroot juice and a small casein protein shake. At his next checkup, his doctor confirmed that his blood pressure had improved and he was experiencing deeper, more restorative sleep than he had in years. Jeremy didn't stumble upon magic. He discovered the immense power of simple, consistent choices. Do you want to know what truly sets apart those elite older men, the ones still hiking mountains, cycling long distances, and successfully running businesses well into their 60s and 70s? It's not simply good genes, it's an unwavering commitment. They commit to empowering their lifestyle over relying solely on medication, fostering consistent habits over holding out for fleeting hope. Crucially, they view the time before bed not as the end of their day, but as the powerful beginning of profound renewal. This isn't just theory, it's a proven path. If even one of these habits resonated with you, consider it your launch pad. Take action tonight. Start with that simple sea salt water or just the tart cherry juice. Build one powerful habit at a time consistently and allow your own body to show you what incredible vitality is truly possible. Remember, when you sleep, you're not just resting, you are actively rebuilding. Every single decision you make before bed affects not only your next morning, but quite literally your next decade. Far too many men surrender their best years to stress, poor sleep, and a gradual decline, not because they have to, but because they simply weren't aware they had better choices within reach. Now you do. So, here is your clear action plan. Pick just one of the nighttime fuel tips we've discussed and commit to trying it tonight. Then, once that feels like a natural part of your routine, come back and stack another. And if you found this information genuinely helpful, hit that subscribe button because we are far from finished. Our next video will guide you through exactly what to eat in the crucial first 30 minutes after waking to keep your testosterone humming, your joints moving freely, and your mind razor sharp. Make tonight count because your extraordinary tomorrow truly depends on it. Stay sharp, stay strong, and most importantly, take exceptional care of the only body you have.